Hi, welcome to Easy Excel. My name's Chris, and in this very quick video I'm just going to show you why your macro button might not be working. Okay, so what I've done in a previous video is made macro buttons, but before this video what I've done is I've just created a simple macro, and I've made this test button just to show you this example. Okay, now when I click this button it comes up with the error, cannot run the macro, Excel doc for videos, etc. Okay, the macro may not be available in this workbook. So, why is it doing this then? I've set it up, I've used it before, I know it works. I've saved the new document, and when I've gone back in to open it, it's now not letting me press the button. So, very simply, the reason is that I've not pressed enable content at the top. So you can see security warning, macros have been disabled, enable content. Okay, so you click that, and now the macro will work. And this macro doesn't do anything in particular, it's just going to select a random cell. Okay, just to show you, there we go. Click away, click it again, click away, click it again. And now it's working, but it didn't work because we didn't press enable content. Okay, now that's it for today. When that comes up, it will only come up the first time you open the new document, and then every other time it will be fine. You can change the settings, which I will cover in another video. I'll leave that in the description. There's also other videos that I've done on how to make a macro button like this, how to record a macro. I'll also leave the descriptions for those as well. Alright, thanks for watching. This was Easy Excel with Chris, and please subscribe and like the video if it was helpful for you. Take care now.